1,700 new millionaires are created every day. That's over 620,000 new millionaires every year. How come so many people become millionaires, and why can't you do the same well? It's actually about positioning and how valuable you are in the marketplace. If the marketplace thinks you to serve 1 million or more, it will in turn give you that amount. We researched people that we know about who've made more than $1 million in the last couple of years. Who knows, maybe some of them will spark an idea which will be the beginning of a lifelong journey for you. With that said, here are 15 ways to make $1 million in no particular order. Welcome to channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Number 1. Be in the top 1% of be in the top 1% of a lucrative profession. A lucrative profession, shocking right? Be really good at a job that pays really well. It's super easy to become a millionaire. If you know what you're doing and you're specialized, doctors, lawyers and upper management in the US and Europe earn on average over $150,000 a year if you're really good at what you do. And are hyper specialized, you can double or even triple that amount. The highest paying job with the lowest barriers of entry is sales. If you know how to sell, you can make a ton of money. No matter where you find yourself compared to doctors and lawyers. The 1% of salespeople earn north of $250,000 a year, which will have them pass that $1 million mark in just 4 years. Not to mention that selling is an incredibly valuable skill for all strategies that we discuss in this video. Number 2. Write several books. Write several books that sell okay. The trap many people fall into is they think they have to write the next Harry Potter or 50 Shades of Grey in order to get rich from books. The likelihood of you knocking it out of the park is incredibly low. With that said though, getting to $1 million from writing books is a pretty doable job if you find the right angle and an audience willing to purchase. Few people know this, but in order to become a New York Times best-selling author, you only need to sell around 10,000 books. It can be even as low as 5,000 books if you've been on the list before, if your writing is good. Just keep putting out more and more books until one of them is a hit. There are plenty of examples of people who did it this way, but our favorite is by far Amanda Hawking. You probably have no idea who she is. She's been rejected by almost every single publisher in the game. None of her novels were ever given a shot. She was broke. She really wanted to go to a Muppets convention, but she needed the money for gas to drive to the event, so in order to make some of the $300 she self-published her novels on Kindle. 1 month later she'd made over $20,000, so she added all of her novels up there 20 months into it. She's made over $2.5 million from books which were not good enough to get picked up by a publisher. Pro tip: if you have a podcast, a blog or a YouTube channel or any kind of audience, people will want to support your efforts and are even willing to pre-order your book just to share that journey with you. Number 3. License a patent or trademark to a big company. Thanks for watching. We see you in the next video.